Okay, welcome back. So here goes the second part. In this part we're going to have some practice. And we need to learn some vocabulary which will be useful for you. So the first one, that is, something is set in. When we want to say or to tell that something is going on, so this phrase is usually used. A combat game, that is the game in which there is a lot of fight. To cause, that is to be the reason of something. Pollution, so you can see the translation. The inhabitant, a name. To complete the mission, and to provide. So these are the words to learn. Pause the video and write down these words into your vocabularies. Well, actually today we're going to speak about to learn the information about video games and to have our practice. So I want you to open your books, student books, at page 32, exercise 1, and look at the types or kinds of video games there can be. So they are the adventure games, that is the games in which you have to complete some missions and challenges. The city building games, that is the games in which you have to build up or create some cities, villages, and so on so forth, your country even. So combat games, that is, as I said before, that is the games with a lot of fights. Puzzle games, that is, you have to solve some puzzles, some quizzes. Racing games, that is the games in which you have to win the race, that is to come first. Role-playing games, you have to choose a character and play for this character in such games. And sports games, this is the games about sports. So mind these types of games, they will help you a bit later. So I want you to open your, I want you to look at the exercise 2. Read the text in this exercise very carefully and answer the following questions. So I want you to pause the video, read the text, understand it, and then answer these questions. The questions are the following. What information does the text provide? What is the aim of the game? What kind of game is it? What are the main differences between two groups? And does the game sound interesting for you? Why not? I want you to make notes in the Word file, that is, you have to type the answers, it's desirable, and send them via mail. Okay, so please do the task. Well, now we're going to proceed. Let's look at this text again. Let's read through this text again, and your task is to find and underline all the quantifiers in this text. Okay, so it will take you some time. Pause the video, underline, and we're going to check it in a second. Well, let's see what do we have here. So I have a marker here. So let's see what you have and check. So we have such quantifiers here is many. So negative sentence, any. A lot of, that is positive. What have we here? Okay, chooses a few conflicts, that's it. Here some important differences. A lot of, again, a lot of, not many. I have not much, a little. How many, how much, that is uncountable energy. Okay, grow any food, any special missions. Okay, then however, so probably I've missed something. You can check it. So Let's continue. As for your home task, I suggest you doing the following thing. Two tasks for you to do. That is exercise 6, page 31 in your workbooks. That is to complete the text with the words provided. And exercise 7, page 32, students' books. In this exercise, you have to, attention, you have to prepare a description of a video game, real or invented, even if you don't play any games, so you have to think and create one. So to say, invent. You may use the exercises 2, that is, which we've just read about the Anno 2070, that is the text we've read in students' books, and the exercise from your homework, that is from exercise 6, that is as examples. Well, I suggest you doing first the exercise in your workbooks and then pass over to exercise in your students' books, because this is kind of example. Again, you write the answers in the Word file and send it to me to my email. Okay, thank you for your attention. Hope you have no questions, but if you have any questions, please you are free to email me. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much for your attention again, and good luck. Goodbye.